Goodwill that speaks. You don't just build a structure, you build a reputation, says the chairman of Usher Group, who has been serving companies goodwill, trust and legacy since 2001. Ajay Usher, along with the other directors, is now coming with their new pillars of goodwill, trust, promise and sophistication. Usher Mirac by Usher Group, your next opportunity at Mulund Thane corridors. This project is situated in the middle of Thane and Mulund and gives you a maximum living option and vast connectivity. So, talking about the green lush of Sanjay Gandhi National Park and the commercial hubs of Wagle Estate makes this place the hidden valley of Mumbai. Upcoming Goregaon Mulund Lake Road is just 20 minutes away from here. Upcoming Airoli Katai Naka Tunnel is also approximately 15 to 20 minutes away from here. Upcoming metro lines like 4 and 5 connects you in just 10 minutes. Apart from that, talking about the schools, international schools like Finland International School is right at the radius that is opposite to the sales office of this project. NES International School is just 1 kilometers away. That is approximately 10 minutes from here. Eastern Expressway can be connected in just 10 minutes and Usher IT Park can also be connected in just 10 to 15 minutes from here. Railway stations like Mulund and Thane can be connected in just 15 minutes. So this was all about the connectivity. Now I shall move you to the overview of project and amenities. Let's go. This project is spread across 2 phases. Phase 1 is already launched and Phase 2 is now launching with their first tower, Serene, which is a G+36-story building, and both the phases together have 1, 2, 3 and 4 BHK available. Apart from that, this project has 75,000 square feet area for their amenities and has amenities at each level that can be ground, podium and their nest level that is on the 20th floor. Key amenities like clubhouse, swimming pool, party lawn, kids play area, senior citizens area, gazebo, etc. All the amenities that you might be looking for. So this was all about the project overview and amenities. Now I shall move you to the sample flat. Let's go. तो यहाँ हम आ गए हैं अपने 2 BHK sample flat apartment में and the carpet area for this flat is 686 square feet. So please move in and this is our living space with an attached deck. आपको मैं एक बात बता दूं that every flat that you get, may it be 1, 2, 3 or 4 BHK, every flat has an attached deck that you can enjoy your swing and your evening coffee. तो हर flat में आपको deck जरूर मिलेगा so that you can enjoy a beautiful views. Now this is our dining space. Again you can see that you have enough space. So you can also settle 6-seater dining space. So now let's move on to our kitchen space now. This is our double platform kitchen. यहाँ आपको granite मिल जाएगी, enough space for your compartment and यहाँ पर refrigerator space भी मिल रही है. This is your French windows for ventilation. So enough space and I guess individual kitchen है तो it is a lot spacious and well utilized. Now this is our common washroom right in front of the kitchen. यहाँ पर आपको window for ventilation, vitrified tiling and branded fittings मिल जाती है. Moving on to our common bedroom now. So this is our common bedroom, well utilized. आप देख सकते हैं how utilized this bedroom is. Full length windows for your beautiful view. This is your common bedroom. Moving on to our master bedroom now. Before I show you the master bedroom, I shall talk about this. So this is your walk-in closet space that is given to you apart from your space for master bedroom. As you can see now, entering the master bedroom. So ये है हमारा master bedroom. Again very spacious. As you can already see, ये वाला bedroom बहुत spacious है. यहाँ पर आपको मिलती है full length windows. Now moving on to the attached washroom. Again this washroom has vitrified tiling, branded fittings, French windows for ventilation. तो ये था हमारा sample flat for 2 BHK और इसकी pricing start हो रही है from 1.49 CR all inclusive. 3 BHK की start हो रही है from 2.08 CR all inclusive and 4 BHK starting from 3.17 CR all inclusive. इनके payment plans भी बहुत flexible हैं. They have 2 payment plans. One is 20, 50 and 30 का payment plan and one is 15 and 85 का payment plan. So for booking purpose आज ही हमें contact कीजिए on the given details below. Thank you.